Hello, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm super excited to share this video. I was watching Harry Potter, which is something that I usually do. I love Harry Potter. I really wish that I was a wizard, but I'm not. But I can pretend. So what better way to pretend you're a wizard than by making the famous drinks mentioned in the books and movies. So I figured I would try and make them and film it for you guys and put the recipes that I use and how they turn out so that you can maybe make these drinks for the next time you watch the movies. I have had butterbeer and pumpkin juice before because I went to Harry Potter World at Universal and I tried it there, so I kind of have an idea of how that tastes from there. So I have my wand that I will use to cast spells and magic so that I can make these drinks. I will also be linking the times down below so that if you need to, you can skip to any specific recipe. Other Harry Potter facts about me: I am in the house Ravenclaw. When I was a little kid, I would go to the book premieres with my mom at Barnes & Noble. My favorite character is Hermione, and I've dressed up as Hermione several years for Halloween. So come along with me while I try to make these and see how it goes. Let's go! Making pumpkin juice is fairly simple. Start by pouring 1 1/4 cups of apple cider into a blender and add half a cup of water. The recipe called for a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, but I put half a cup by accident, so I scooped some of the extra out and I added some more apple cider and water to help balance out the extra pumpkin, which I thought turned out to be better in the end. Then add in half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, and I always add just a little bit extra to everything, and then sweeten with honey. Next, use your wand to blend the ingredients together, and then we'll apparate to the stove to let the juice simmer to help bring out the flavor of the spices. Lastly, serve this in your favorite glass and enjoy this fall time drink. Okay, to try the pumpkin juice, I brought in my dad and fellow fan of Harry Potter.
It's pretty good. It's almost like apple cider, but like pumpkin.
That's exactly what it is.
No way. I nailed it.
Desperately tricky to make and disastrous to get wrong. However, if brewed correctly, you will find that all your endeavors tend to succeed. To make Felix Felicis, combine a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup and a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice to a champagne flute. Add 1 1/2 ounces of ginger beer and top off with champagne or sparkling white wine. To make the Polyjuice Potion, start with a scoop of lime sherbet. Oh no, we'll just have to try that again. Okay, that's better. The recipe says to add pineapple juice, but I don't like pineapples, so I added limeade instead, and then fill the rest with ginger ale and stir. Now there's no need to go to Hogsmeade for a cup of warm butterbeer. To make this drink, combine 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and 2 tablespoons of butter and stir together over medium heat, bringing the syrup to a boil. Incendio! let's get you a better look. Engorgio. Make sure you stir occasionally and set aside to cool for 5 minutes. After it cools, it should be a smooth consistency but not too runny. Then add 1/3 cup of heavy cream and stir. Next, add the salt, rum extract, and apple cider vinegar, stir and set aside. In another small bowl, combine 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 cups of milk. I used almond milk. Stir together over heat until sugar dissolves and it turns a darker brown color. Then add 2 cups of heavy cream and stir. Finally, add the butterscotch from before. You can leave a little butterscotch out to use in the topping, which we will apparate to now. For the topping, combine marshmallow fluff and heavy cream in a mixer and beat until it's smooth. Back at the butterbeer, add 1.5 cups of cream soda and stir. Pour the butterbeer in a mug. I had this one from visiting Harry Potter World, and top with marshmallow foam. To try the butterbeer, I brought in my mom, who is the biggest Harry Potter fan I know.
Oh, that's good. It's very, very sweet, but it's very, very, very good. Wow, you couldn't drink a lot of this. I expected it to be a little fizzier.
Yeah, I could have maybe put in more like cream soda.
Yeah, I definitely could not drink a big cup.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you can make these recipes at home and enjoy them while you watch the Harry Potter movies. If you liked this video, make sure you let me know by hitting that thumbs up button below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Bye!
Our love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go.